is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. In the San Diego area, official messages would follow the alert tone. This confirms this test of the emergency alert system. Line hold blue. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this has been an actual emergency in the San Diego area, official messages would follow the alert tone. This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency in the San Diego area, official messages would have followed the alert tones.
A civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. Santa Barbara, California, at 4:50 a.m. on October 2nd, 2024, effective until 5:50 a.m. This is a required monthly test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. If this is a real alert, you should tune to one of these television or radio stations to receive instructions from authorities about what is happening and what you need to do. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a monthly test of the emergency alert system. If this had been an actual emergency in the San Diego area, official messages would have followed the alert tones.